All right, so this is basically, it's a close-up shot, right? Before it was more of a full body shot, try to incorporate my whole body. This time I want to demonstrate how we can use these principles, these tools, expansion, contraction, out in veiling it so much so that it can be used for film acting in terms of a close-up shot. So I will do fully expanded, veiled, fully contracted, veiled, and then go veiled contraction to expansion, and then expansion to contraction. And once again, this is all it's my play date, right? It's my, as an actor, I'm just using these as a way to explore different choices that I may have made for the character, Edmund the bass. Here we go. Expansion. Thou, nature, art my goddess. To thy law my services are bound. Wherefore should I stand in the plague of custom and permit the curiosity of nations to deprive me, for that I am some 12 or 14 moonshines lag of a brother? Wherefore base? Why bastard? And now, contraction, veiled. Thou, nature, art my goddess. To thy law my services are bound. Wherefore should I stand in the plague of custom and permit the curiosity of nations to deprive me, for that I am some 12 or 14 moonshines lag of a brother? Wherefore base? Why bastard? And now from contraction to expansion, veiled. Thou, nature, art my goddess. To thy law my services are bound. Wherefore should I stand in the plague of custom and permit the curiosity of nations to deprive me, for that I am some 12 or 14 moonshines lag of a brother? Why bastard? Wherefore base? I'm going to try that. Changing up the tempo. I'm going to go from expansion to contraction in a staccato, sudden, sharp pattern. Thou, nature, art my goddess. To thy law my services are bound. Wherefore should I stand in the plague of custom and permit the curiosity of nations to deprive me, that I am some 12 or 14 moonshines lag of a brother? Wherefore base? Why bastard? Good. I'm hoping that these are enough demonstrations to how you can use the tool. Expansion, contraction, can be used virtually in anything. If you just look outside, you see that everything can be viewed through the lens of expansion, contraction. At the NMCA, we call it the pulse of life, the pulse of creation. And I believe that every gesture, every action, every emotion, every scene, every character, every moment, every beat, every unit of action has this dynamic movement of out and in. And if we just allow ourselves to be led by this principle, by this tool, we will find different and numerous discoveries. So I'm hoping that you enjoyed this, and if you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, I'm on Instagram as well, and I'm on Facebook. Just look me up, Joe Herrera, and you'll find that I'm there. I'll put up on the screen there my email. It's vjoe7@gmail.com. If you are interested in private acting lessons, give me a holler. I have competitive prices, and this is just one of the aspects of the techniques I'll be teaching you. And we can go through the whole entire Chekhov technique. He has a chart called the Chart of Inspired Acting, and I'll see if I'll pull that up in this video right here. And in this chart, basically, it's numerous tools that Chekhov invites the actor to enter into that state of inspired acting. And I think that that's a great feeling to have. And I think every true artist, every true actor has had that fleeting moment. And he trains the actor to willfully, at will, compel the artist and the body and the imagination to enter into that state more frequently. So if you are interested in doing that with me, I'm in the Tampa Bay, Florida area, but I also do offer Skype sessions for those who are out of town. And it's, again, still the same type of work, and I would love to work with you all. So hit the subscribe button, tap on the bell, and stay tuned for some more videos that I'll be doing as I am led through this art of acting through the inspiration of Michael Chekhov. All right, guys. See you later.